Today I got a package. It is some merch I've bought from Dashcam Bristol. I've had to go for an extra large because I'm not the 12 stone spring chicken I was when I was a bit younger. So yeah, we've gone for the fat man size. Eat, sleep, drive, repeat.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No, you know you did it. No. Red light. And then stops on the crossing. Well, you might as well just go for it. You've already done the red light, and then you stick your arm out to let everyone know what you're doing. Special, man. I love cyclists. They're absolute freaks, aren't they? See, everyone did the red light. You might as well join her and do it yourself. Just go, 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 go. I love cyclists, man. Oh, I fucking love them. That's not a parking space, is it? That's not a parking space. It's not a parking space there, is it? It's not a parking space. Yeah, there we go. We're starting to understand now. That's not a parking space either. It's not a parking space. Silly bitch. She just sat there smiling at me. What is a red car doing? Why is it going 5 miles an hour? Is it going to stop and not indicate? I wonder. I wonder. No, like, seriously, what is it doing? Oh no, there is no indication either. That's what we call a special little snowflake, that is. Very special. You dickhead. On a scale of 1 to special, what do you rate this driver in front? Oh, hang on. It's not special anymore, by the looks of it.
It's not.
It's not, is it?
No.
Out of 10, what do you rate? 1 or special? 14 and 10, okie dokie. On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate that? Because it accelerated through that red light.
Yes.
What is he?
Through that light.
Through the red light, yes, special. Very, very special.
Yes, it's better.
That's right. When you're a big girl, yeah, and you're driving all by yourself out in a big world, all on your lonesome, yeah, you're driving by yourself, you want to stay away from cheap and small cars because they're usually driven by idiots. Wow! 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 What was that? Oh, there it is again. What is it? Is that a wrap? Or... No, it is. That's actual rust. That's proper rust. That looks pretty cool. Good parking. And what are you doing, you dickhead? Oh, it's one of those days again, isn't it? What is that? Please tell me you picked that up. I'm hoping to God we picked that up on camera. What the hell was that? And what the hell is that? That's not parking. Baby shark. How did that car get there, I wonder? Because this is a one-way system. How did it get there is my question.
What's this colour? What's this colour?
That's one way to press the button on the lights, isn't it?
Daddy.
I'm sorry, little baby girl. What? Ooh, cheeky little bitch. Excellent parking. Dick. Fucking bunch of dickheads, man. Ah! Why did you do that? Why did you pull in, make me think you were letting me go, and then pull out, you prick? Don't make it seem like you're going to pull in for me and then go for it. Again, I don't know what it's going to look like on camera, but they pull in, like, make you think that they're, you know, giving way to you, and then they pull back out again and go for it. I don't understand. You're a wizard, Harry. Dickhead. Do you know what? I vote to get that change. It says encouraging legal parking, improve safety, and keep traffic moving. What we should do,
Yes, traffic's moving.
yeah, what we should do is rename it to please give me money for my coffee and biscuits on my tea break, because that's what they do, innit? They just go, yeah, they do. They go around trying to find people parked silly so they can so they can find them.
Uncle Bear.
I'm not uncle. Driving round catching the real criminal. All right, sorry. I can't say it. I'm not allowed. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Special. Although, to be fair, anyone who drives a 206 convertible is not entirely normal, are they, to be honest? Wow, what an overtake. What a fucking overtake. Like I said, not entirely normal, but whatever. Walking across, do you hear us, mate, then? What are you doing? He's like, walking across the road. I'm walking, we just press the button, you bellend. Welcome to Bristol, people are idiots. Excellent parking. Oh, noise is going to ruin the audio on that clip. Thank you very much. Let's try again, let's try again. Excellent parking. Anyone care to comment on that parking? Anybody care to comment on that parking? Whoa, what a cunt. What a cunt. Go on, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yes! You're a legend. I love the people that speed out towards red lights. They're freaks, aren't they? There's something wrong with them. That was some tailgating, wasn't it? Wow. That was close, man. Don't just stop there. Come on, man. Come on. Don't just stop in the middle of the road. Hey, school mummies, isn't it, Mizumu? They ain't got a clue what they're doing. They still half asleep, half of them. Yeah, I know. Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Good luck getting past all these parked cars in your wheelchair. Good luck getting past all these parked cars in your wheelchair.
The Queen have tasted each other at a massive state banquet at Buckingham Palace.
Don't be silly, just stay there, don't be silly, for fuck's sake, man. Wait. And then we got Cyclists. Thank you. It's not hard, is it? Just to wait for 5 seconds to let everyone through. No, it's not hard, but some people are dickheads. Go on, do the red light, do the red light, do the red light. Oh. Oh, okay. Dickhead!
Have they got their own little box area?
Call him a dickhead.
Dickhead!
Thank you.
It's alright.
Shout it!
Dickhead!
That's under our windows. Prick! Yeah, naughty boy. That's what you get for parking like a dick, to be fair, innit? It's, you get what you deserve, man. Is that a parking space? The places some people go to pick up their kids is comical, isn't it? Bumpy, bumpy. It's not a parking space. Not a parking space. come as well. Rude.
Oh, you don't have to get your arms
That's a no entry, Alexi.
Well, what happened?
That's a no entry. Oh, you've made it incredibly difficult, haven't you? What a family friendly. Yeah.
Muppet.
Muppet.
That's the way she does it.
What
now.
is that?
I don't know.
What is that?
As a DPD, delivery man.
How many parcels could he get in the fucking air?
Well, it depends how big they are.
That was silly. No, don't slow down, come on man, it's like, it's a 30 road, why are we going 15 miles an hour? There's just no need for it, is there? Like, come on man, come on, Jesus Christ, there's nothing coming. There's nothing on your side of the road. There is nothing at all on your side of the road. Wow, wow, you meet some special little cornflakes, don't you, on your travels? This is, I don't understand. I don't get it. I'll show you now. I'll show you how much of the road is blocked and how much of this road this person needs. It slowed down to let all them cars through when there was no need. You couldn't get a truck through that. I'm just whinging now. I'm just having a rant, aren't I? Rant cam. Hang on a cotton picking second. We're speeding back up now. We're going 29 miles an hour. Huh? Oh, it's one of those that stops like 5 meters away from the... Hang on. No, it's one of those that stops about 5 meters away from the white line. You could fit like at least a car and a half in front. I don't understand some people. It's strange. Some people drive very strangely in Bristol. Which is why I got this channel, funny enough. And I know from my previous videos, I'm going to get a bit of hate for this, but I actually like the Nissan Juke. I think it looks lovely. Right, we've got 3 lanes coming up. What's going to happen? Is it going to be able to decide which one it wants? It's going to have the exact same one I want in it. Yes, it is. Oh. I've had enough, to be honest. I've had enough. I don't like waiting behind idiots. I don't know. It winds me up when they go stupidly slow everywhere and then just... clueless people, man. Irritates me. Well, my plan used to be park next to the most expensive car you could find in a car park, because they often, well, you know, think about it, they're not going to open a door and smash into your car on their nice, sexy Mercedes, are they? But my theory has just been disproved, because he just hit that car. New theory: park as far away from everyone as possible.